initial plans for our former lounge were to find out what the hell a former lounge was.
They served up my favourite food and my favourite alcohol, which is free food and free alcohol.
Snooze button, snooze button.
Who knows what'll happen next?
I think the changes we're planning to this spectacular home give us great potential to win the block.
Yes, but it's a secret.
I don't know how it'll go down for us with the judging.
You're not going to win.
No.
You won't win the week. But imagine their faces.
Exactly.
Game changer.
Game changer, absolutely.
Cheers, you bunch of bloody blockheads.
And it was all on Scotty.
Hey, do we know about our budget here? How is your kitchen consults going?
Oh, really good.
You loving it?
Yeah.
Love it, yep.
You know, we all know that kitchens sell houses, don't we? The heart of the home. And who loves Gaggenau appliances?
Oh, I love Gaggenau.
Have a look at this. This guy here is the French door integrated Gaggenau fridge, magnificent. Doesn't stop there. This bloke over here is the integrated wine cabinet, valued at a cool 35,000 bucks. Yeah. Do you want to know how you win this package? Thanks to Gaggenau and Kingsman, all you got to do is deliver the best formal lounge this week. The Blockinator paid a visit to Jesse and Mel's still unfinished ensuite.
G'day, Mel.
Hey, Keith, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
Yeah, good.
How are we going with the ensuite?
Pretty much there?
Pretty much. Are you serious? We need it done quickly. So when's all this going to be finished?
Better be today, because Tyler said he's going to be here 11, and he said we should be able to get the occupancy certificate today. Biggest issue was the Tyler didn't finish. He didn't understand the urgency of it.
We're saying we're certifying things when they're not right. You know what I mean? The way I see it, that tile comes out because the hole's been drilled in the wrong spot. Over here, in a wet area, we've certainly got holes there. And what can happen is this is a wet room, so water can make its way over here, creep down those holes, go down the back of the tile, and then ruin the integrity of the tiling. Now, this area out here outside the shower or the wet room, right, it's about 12 to 15 mil higher than this area here. You run the level across, right, and look, I can fit my fingers underneath.
Yeah.
So at the moment, the way the ensuite's formed, I can't give you an occupation certificate.
I am rope right now. There's just too many dramas going on in that bathroom.
I want everything basically working before we can certify this ensuite.
Yeah. And now we've got more issues arising.
Now, Matty, from over there, I can see the ceiling's out. I really can.
Keithy walked in and said, that doesn't look too good with the bulkhead, and chucked a straight edge up there.
Right. You run that along, you've got 15, 20 mil there, that's 7 or 8 there. It's basically all over the shop. And from here, I can actually see that the ceiling's going there, I think, as well.
Yeah, it's just one of those things you just don't need, like, especially when you're scheduling.
Serious, mate.
Popped in to see Luke and Tess. I noticed a bit of timber at the front of the opening of the fireplace. I'm thinking, well, that's combustible. So I rang Tony from Jetmaster, and we've got a couple of timber battens behind the plaster at the face.
They've got to come out.
Got to come out. The problem is we've got a gas fireplace, it's going to heat up, and we don't want anything to burn in the vicinity of the fireplace. Right, so nothing combustible at the front there.
All right, so this got to come out.
Yep.
We're finally making progress again, and then bang, handbrake gets pulled on. We're a day behind again.
2 doors down at House 4, Matt and Elisa's plasterers have done the luckiest of U-bolts.
And we were probably lucky enough that they weren't too far away from the block, so they came back. I had to pull down gyprock sheets that were virtually finished. They'd been stopped up, and wasn't ideal.
Glad it's happened now. I can get the sheets back up tonight and it'll dry and be sanded, so it should be fine.
Crisis averted.
Meanwhile, out on the street, that That good news Tess and Luke have been waiting for might have just arrived.
So, as you can see,
Still a bit of work to do.
yep, no grout on the floor. The trims were all rushed and
Yep.
Not the bathroom we wanted to deliver. Like,
Yeah.
we were not happy at all.
definitely not. So,
No, that's right. I mean, I just need to know before I sort of commit and dive in, I need to know that you guys are sort of on the same page, and
Yeah.
because I can't be here 24/7, you guys are the contestants.
we are willing to do whatever it takes, mate.
Yep.
Beers. We got a fridge full of light and easy out
there
there,
you go.
mate.
Yeah,
that's it.
There we go.
We will stock you up on light and easy for the next few months. We'll do whatever we can.
Locking Matt in and moving forward means that we're in the game.
What I had in the back of my mind, Monday morning,
Yep.
we'll start fresh. We'll sit down, start from scratch, put together a full plan, have a look at the trades that we do and don't have.
Yep.
I'll bring in my trusted leading hand carpenter.
Yep.
Yes.
I can probably delegate him to you guys for the next few weeks, see how we go.
Really?
Just to sort of help you guys find your feet.
We are over the
Really?
moon, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Deal?
Great! Oh, thank you so much. This is amazing.
Buddy, you're a legend, mate. The rumours are true.
They are true.